Hello, my name is Penelope, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cute baby dragon. First, you draw a little circle for its head. Then, you draw a little horn curving this way. Then, you do the same curving the other way for the other one. Then, you make two little lines. Same for the other ear. You draw two little humps right here. You draw like a little gumdrop shape. And you can do another little gumdrop shape. Then draw one little shiny circle. Also, you can do the next shiny circle in the other eye. Then the outside, you're going to want to curve and bring all the way down. Same for the other side. Now you're going to color in everything but those two little white spots that we just made. Like this. Now you're gonna do one little cute nostril. And same for the other little nostril. You're gonna draw one, whoop, and go back. Oh, I think I might have made that too big. Same for the other side. Do this. This paper pencil will be too big also. And remember, mine can be too big and yours can be just right. So make sure to only erase if it doesn't look right to you. You're gonna do little two curves to show it the belly. Oh no, Pikachu fell. And this is my little Squirtle. This is my little Pikachu. Okay, then for the back legs, you're gonna draw one little curve and another. Now draw a little foot. So cute. And another little foot. You're gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side also. Oh no, I think I made the nails too lovely. Let's see. This part's really hard because you gotta position them right. Okay, now for the front ones, you're only gonna draw 3. After that, you're gonna draw little 2 curves. I forgot this part. You do this. Okay. And you're gonna do tail. First, you're gonna make a heart-looking shape on the tail. You're gonna put one little, what am I saying? 3 little water droplets. Connect them all to each other, so it looks like one big tail. And then to, just add some little details there. Okay, so now we're just gonna draw a little heart right on its belly. Okay, after that, you're gonna draw a little curve right here. I wonder what this will be. Then you're gonna start from the side, go up, then down, then up, then down, then up and down, and up and down, and up and down. You'll probably get it by now. And when you draw the top one, make sure to go down, up. And then up, down, 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 then up. You probably get it now. Okay, there. Now, what else should we draw? I forgot one part here. Draw little circles. And if you want, you can draw another faint shine right there. And I'll erase some. Make another little shine. No, I'm not gonna do that for mine. But you guys can do it if you wish. Okay. And after, I'm just gonna do a little curvy line on this egg. Do an outline it again. Curvy line. Outline it again. And a straight line that goes out and makes a curvy line. And you can connect those. Connect these to the sides of the egg. Okay, and up here you can do any colors you want. Okay, let's see. Am I missing anything? I'm missing the most important part. As I always do, the wings. So first draw one line on each side. You do one line again, the following. And this line right here. And do another here. After that, you can either tuck it right here or draw another right here, which I'm gonna do. Let's see. And then you're gonna web it like some spider webs, like that. Okay, so that's all. Now, right here, I'm gonna fast forward because it's time for coloring, okay? It's time to color. And that's how you draw a cute baby dragon that hatched out from an egg. Yay! Squirtle! Pika pika! Pika pika! Pika pika! Squirtles! Squirtle!